Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then welcome. Today I wanted to show you guys this really nice shimmery and very natural look, I want to say. This is a very easy look to do, and all I needed was one palette by BH Cosmetics. This Galaxy Chic palette. It was very easy to do. This palette comes with 18 different colors, and I probably used only 5 of them to make this look. It was very easy to do, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. Starting off with the Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna start off with the shade Venus. It's this really nice orange color. And then I'm going in with the shade Mars. And then I'm going in with the shade Pluto. Now I'm just creating a cut crease with some concealer. Now I'm going ahead and applying Milky Way with a shader brush. And this is the final look. I want to say sorry guys for not making so many videos lately, and that is only because I was busy with some personal things. I hope you guys still support me even though I wasn't active on YouTube, and most importantly, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.